The challenges of living on Mars. Mars, the red planet. At first glance, it seems like an inhospitable wasteland. There's no oxygen, the temperatures are extreme, and cosmic radiation bombards the surface. But for decades, humans have dreamed of living here. So what would it really take for us to survive on Mars? Let's start with the basics. Mars has a thin atmosphere about 100 times thinner than Earth's. And it's mostly carbon dioxide. That means you can't simply step out of a spaceship and start breathing. You'd suffocate almost immediately. And it's not just the air. Temperatures on Mars are extreme. The average temperature hovers around -80 degrees Fahrenheit, with nighttime temperatures plummeting even lower. In fact, the warmest day on Mars would still feel like one of the coldest days on Earth's poles. But perhaps the most unpredictable element is the weather. Mars is known for its massive dust storms, sometimes covering the entire planet. These storms could last for weeks, making it nearly impossible to generate solar power or conduct outdoor operations. Then there's the radiation. On Earth, we're protected by the planet's magnetic field and thick atmosphere, which blocks most of the harmful cosmic rays. Mars, however, has no such shield. Any human settlement would have to deal with constant exposure to radiation levels far higher than anything we experience on Earth. This radiation could cause severe health problems, including cancer, without proper protection. Let's not forget Mars' gravity. It's only 38% of Earth's gravity. At first, this might sound like fun. Imagine being able to leap 3 times higher than you can on Earth. But over time, low gravity would have serious effects on the human body. Our muscles and bones, which are adapted to Earth's gravity, would weaken. This could lead to long-term health problems like osteoporosis and muscle atrophy. Lastly, there's the psychological aspect. Mars is isolated hundreds of millions of kilometers from Earth. It takes several months to travel there, and communication is delayed by several minutes. Life on Mars would mean living in confined spaces, away from family, and dealing with the mental stress of isolation. NASA has already begun studying the psychological effects of long-term space missions, but Mars would be a whole new level of challenge. Living on Mars is no walk in the park. The environment is hostile, and human bodies are not built for such conditions. But despite these challenges, scientists and engineers are hard at work, designing technologies that could help us overcome these obstacles. So, what would it take to actually get us to Mars and build a sustainable future there? Thanks for watching the video.